how to fix Passkey in Binance. Now what you need to do, just go and open the settings and now scroll down until you find the apps and tap on it. Now here just tap on Binance, and now as you can see, tap on the you can now just go and open the storage of that app. So tap on storage, and now as you can see, tap on clear cache, and now go back. Now go to Play Store and make sure that you have updated this app by typing on it here. So as you can see, so if you see here the updates, as you can see, if you see here the updates, just tap on updates. Now what you need to do after that, just try to reboot your phone. So this is how to fix Passkey in Binance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.